Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make a group chat on WhatsApp without contacts. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. From the main screen, tap on the plus button in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. From the options, select New Group. You will now be prompted to add at least one participant to create the group. However, instead of adding someone else's contact, you can simply add your own number. To do this, locate your own phone number in your contacts list and select it. On the next, enter the name you want for the group. For example, you can call it a group or anything you prefer. Once you've chosen the name, tap on the Create. Now the group is created, but as you can see, you're currently the only member. To confirm this, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info. Under the Participants section, you'll see that only your number is listed. At this point, no other participants are added to the group. To share the group with others, you don't need to add their contact numbers directly. Instead, you can use the group invite link. Scroll down in the group info section until you find the Invite via link option. Tap on it and WhatsApp will generate a unique invite link for the group. You can copy this link and share it through email, text message, or any platform you prefer. Anyone who clicks on the link will be able to join the group without needing to be added as a contact. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.